Hi, my laundry load is usually pretty huge and I get no time for myself. But no fret, I have the new LG front load washing machine with direct drive that makes my life so much easier. Its direct drive motor makes this washing machine super reliable and really quiet with less vibration. What's more, its 6-motion technology moves the wash drum in multiple directions and gives proper care to the fabrics while getting clothes ultra clean. With a full new touch control, it looks ultra sleek and sophisticated, while the carefully designed panel provides maximum visibility. It not only washes the clothes well, but also cleans away up to 99.9% of allergens from the clothes, meaning more hygiene, and with the Smart Diagnosis app, your life becomes much easier because it diagnoses many problems that may occur in your machine and resolves them with just a few clicks. So I'm going for a quick power nap. See you!
Presenting the LG 7kg 5-star inverter touch panel fully automatic front load washing machine. It comes with higher spin speeds, helps in faster drying, and smart diagnosis system, fast and easy way to troubleshoot issues. It also has energy rating 5-star, best in class efficiency and special features, temperature range. It has capacity 7 kilograms, suitable for small families, singles and couples. Drum and motor and key features. 6-motion DD technology provides optimized motion combinations for each fabric type. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information, visit the product detail page.